Tell me I'm a good boy.
Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you think he did bad? You didn't do bad. He wasn't yelling.
I'm so shocked no one texted me today. I guess because I posted on Facebook I was going fishing.
Well, I texted you today.
Well, since I got out here.
So you think there's any hope of catching any fish today?
Well, when I say go fishing, I don't expect to catch fish. I'm out for more like picnicking, but, you know, we haven't caught any fish, I'm pretty sure, for a lot of reasons. One, we did go midday. Usually fish are early in the morning and in the evening, around 6 o'clock or something. And we have worms, mainly.
Well, I heard a rumor that you're afraid of worms.
I'm not afraid of worms, it's just gross. Like, once I have my hand on it and cut it, I'd be okay with it. But I have to get through that first cut. Or not, I'm just like, ugh!
Tell me this, if you woke up in the morning and your entire bed was just layered in worms and you were laying on top of them?
Well, at that point, I already had it all over me, so I probably wouldn't scream.
Would you just lay there and go back to sleep?
No, I wouldn't lay in it still and go back to sleep,
Just
no.
all slimy and warm from your body heat?
No, that would be more you, not me. But yeah, once I get past that, I'm perfectly fine. I just don't want to be the one to kill the worm, you know. Well, the worm doesn't die yet, but it eventually dies.
But
So,
Stephen Oos does a pretty good job of killing worms.
I don't know about that.
As long as you've got somebody else to do it for you.
Yeah,
You'll
we're
be
having
okay.
a good time, so that's all that matters.
Yeah, that's all that matters, having a good time.
It's a beautiful place.
Yes.
Amazing weather. Earlier we had a little sun, but had some cloud and wind. It was nice. It's still nice, because there's no sun. But it's beautiful out here.
Yes, it is.
Here, and it went over here.
It made no sense at all. A big fish has jumped in front of us.
It's taunting you.
It is definitely taunting. That's freaking messed up. Oh wow, there's a lot more people here now. I need to watch my language. Well, I need to watch my language. Excuse me.